595 Romeo Hotel is reducing to 210, and we're going to be leveling 7,000 here momentarily with uniform.
595 Romeo Hotel, Phoenix Approach, thank you.
And would like to request 25 left if that's possible.
5 Romeo Hotel, expect 26 today due to volume in the south.
Okay.
Approach, good evening, Delta 1070 Heavy, we're descending via the Eagle 6, except for maintain 8,000.
Envoy 3587, turn 10 degrees right, descend to maintain 4,000, vectors, final approach course.
10 degrees to the right, descend maintain 4,000, vectors, final approach, Envoy 3587.
Delta 1070, Phoenix approach, roger, reduce speed to 190, then descend to maintain 6,000.
190 first, then 6,000, Delta 1070 Heavy.
5 Romeo Hotel, reduce speed to 190, then descend to maintain 5,000.
190, then down to 5 Romeo Hotel.
Envoy 3587, I forgot if I called the fields. Sky Harbors 1 o'clock, 14 miles.
Insight, Envoy 3587.
Envoy 3587, thank you. Flight heading 230, join the final. Clear visual approach, runway 26.
Heading 230, join the final for runway 26, Envoy 3587. Clear, visual 26, Envoy 3587.
Thank you. Delta 1070 Heavy, fly your present heading, vectors 26, descend to maintain 6,000.
106000, present heading, Delta 1070 Heavy.
Thanks. Southwest 237, contact tower, 118.7, have a good day.
1872, 37, tip.
Approach, Skywest 3173, 8,500, descending cruiser 1.
5 Romeo Hotel, right turn heading 170, vector base, descend to maintain 4,000.
170, 4,000, 5 Romeo Hotel.
Skywest 3173, Phoenix Ridge. Delta 1070 Heavy, descend to maintain 5,000.
Was that 5,000 for Delta 1070 Heavy?
Delta 1070 Heavy, maintain 5,000, please.
Maintain 5, Delta 1070 Heavy.
5 Romeo Hotel, right turn heading 190.
190, 5 Romeo Hotel.
Our 5 Romeo Hotel, right turn immediately heading 190.
We're turning 190.
Delta 1070 having stop, descend maintain 7,000.
7,000, Delta 1070 Heavy.
Delta 1070 Heavy, left turn heading 170.
170 heading, Delta 1070 Heavy.
I'm sorry, Delta 1070 Heavy, left turn heading 170.
We're turning 170 heading, Delta 1070 Heavy.
Our 5 Romeo Hotel, right turn heading 230.
230, turning 5 Romeo Hotel.
Skywest 3173, reduce speed to 190.
Slow to 190, Skywest 3173.
Delta 1070 Heavy, reduce speed to 170.
170, Delta 1070 Heavy.
Our 5 Romeo Hotel, Sky Harbor, after the turn is going to be 2 o'clock at about 13 miles.
Looking.
Approach Envoy 3587, you want to Sword Tower?
Skywest Envoy 3587 Tower, 118.7.
Sword Tower, have a good night, Envoy 3587.
Delta 1070 Heavy, descend to maintain 5,000.
5,000, Delta 1070 Heavy.
Delta 1070 Heavy, turn right heading of 2, let's go 240, intercept 26 localizer.
Heading 240, intercept the localizer, Delta 1070 Heavy.
Our 5 Romeo Hotel, descend to maintain 3,000. Sky Harbors 1 o'clock, 12 miles.
Down to 3,000, airport in sight, 5 Romeo Hotel.
Our 5 Romeo Hotel, clear visual approach, runway 26.
Visual 26, 5 Romeo Hotel.
Skywest 3173, once you're slow, descend to maintain 5,000.
We'll descend now, 5,000, Skywest 3173.
Delta 1070 Heavy, as you go through, you can make a right turn heading 290, intercept 26 localizer.
290, join the low, Delta 1070 Heavy.
Ticket site, Southwest 874.
Southwest 874, thank you, maintain 3,000. The turn on to final in just a moment, they're turning back to 290 to intercept 26.
We have the traffic in sight in Southwest 874.
Skywest 6349, contact tower, 120.9er.
20.9, Skywest 6349.
Delta 1070 Heavy, Sky Harbor, once you link up, it's going to be 12 o'clock at about 12 miles.
Insight, Delta 1070 Heavy.
Delta 1070 heading on that 290 heading, your clear visual approach, runway 26.
Clear visual 26 on this heading, Delta 1070 Heavy.
Skywest 3173, traffic you're following is currently, we'll call it 2 to 3 o'clock at about 6 miles, westbound 5,000. It's heavy Airbus. Delta 1070 Heavy, right turn heading 290. Looks like you're setting up for 25 left. Delta 1070 Heavy, stop your descent. Traffic alert, 10 o'clock, 2.5 miles, northbound, 4,800, southwest Boeing 737, right turn heading 360, right turn heading 360.
360, heading Delta 1070 Heavy.
Our 5 Romeo Hotel Tower, 118.7.
18-7, 5 Orange Hill.
Skywest 3173, right turn heading 170, vector base.
170 heading 3173.
Southwest 874, thank you for your help there.
Anytime, Southwest 874.
Southwest 874, contact tower 120.9er.
Tower 120.9, Southwest 874.
Delta 1070 Heavy, climb and maintain 5,000.
5,000, Delta 1070 Heavy.